Okay guys, so I'm gonna just hop right into this. I'm gonna wash Paisley's hair, so I want to show y'all the setup. So I did get this new product. It's called Shampoo Buddy. Yes, got it off of Amazon. It was a little steep for what it is, but we're going to buy it anyway, right? So here's what I'm talking about. Let me turn the camera around. So here's what I'm talking about. It has a suction cup that goes on your counter, and you can do it multiple ways as instructed on the instruction manual. So it has this little soft part. It feels like jelly. It's like a rubber filling, so it does feel nice. And then obviously this is like hard plastic. The neck goes here, and then I put some towels down for her so she can relax, but I don't know if she's gonna relax or not. And I'm gonna figure out how I'm going to have the iPad, if I'm gonna have it up here, down here, somewhere where she can see it and enjoy her stay. But this is Paisley. Paisley, are you ready for your hair wash, girl? Uh-oh. Don't you start crying, girl. Yeah, that noggin hurt. So we finna get her ready and I'll be right back. Anyway, so we're gonna be using the Curls Dynasty brand. I got this from Walmart and I was kind of surprised, y'all. I bought this for Paisley, but it definitely could have been a me thing too. Let's see if we can adjust it up. There we go. Anyway, so this is the shampoo the Cocoa Mint moisture rich shampoo, and then we have for her the pumpkin mint deep treatment. It smells so good. There we go. I have this little ring light, y'all. Still haven't mastered this, but y'all get it. And then we have the conditioner. It's Give Me Slip Conditioner Blast Hydration Conditioner. And then lastly we have a leave-in. It's what is this? Kalahari smoothie leave-in. So we have that. We're finna rinse her hair. As you can see, she's getting into everything, anything. I'm gonna have the water running, so anything that I have to say for you guys definitely is gonna be a voiceover. Let's just nip that in the bud. We're gonna try to get y'all sound reduction. And so listen, this is my first time using this, watching her in the sink. Normally I have her like a little football and I'm just like quickly washing her hair, but that puts a strain on my back. Push it back up here. That puts a strain on my back, so I was like, let me buy something and see if this is gonna work. So we're going to figure it out. We both need our hair washed. We're definitely puffing it today, so let's stay tuned.